Hello friends. So welcome to 25 question series. So today is Saturday. It is off for me and maybe it will be off for few of you folks also. So let's utilize this time and gear up our preparation in full swing. So today I am planning to come up with 50 questions. So this is the part 1 of today's video with 25 questions and 25 questions I will bring to you on evening. So let's start quickly with the questions which we have discussed in last session. So these two questions, first and second, I asked you people to answer in comment section. Only one guy has answered. Piyush Mishra has answered correctly. So whatever I'm asking, please try to write the answer in comment section. So let's start. So first question was black box testing is also known as. So the correct answer is behavioral testing. Now tell me one thing. If black box testing is known as behavioral testing, what is white box testing known as? Tell me the answer in comment section. Second is which data structure is needed to convert infix notation to postfix notations? Answer is stack. Let's quickly start with today's question. First one is what is full form of SaaS? So if you have a little bit understanding of cloud computing, you can easily answer this question. The answer is software as a services. So we should know what is IaaS, second is PaaS, and third is SaaS. So what is SaaS? Is software as a service, P is a platform as a service, and I is infrastructure as a services. So this basic understanding we should have. Next is in Unix, default file creation permission can be modified using dash command. This is a very beautiful question. So we should know very basic Unix command. So what it is asking, if you have worked in Unix or you have little bit understanding of Unix or Linux, if we create one file, the default permission is 6. So we should know like what is 4, what is 2, what is 1. Read, write and execute permission. So 6 means read and write permission is there, but not execute permission. So whenever we want to make these changes, like we need to have the system to give permission as per our choice, the command which we use is umask. So the default file creation permission which was 6 can be changed with umask command. Tell me now what is chown and what is chmod command do in comment section. Next is locking may cause which of the following problem? Deadlock, versioning and deadlock, erroneous update and deadlock. The correct answer is deadlock. Let's go to next question. Which of the following are placeholders for literal values in a SQL query being sent to database? The correct answer for this is bind variables. Bind variables are the variables which application programs are used whenever you want to access the database. Some places we can see this as a host variable also. Next is the design tool used to illustrate the logic of a new computer software logic diagram that uses symbol to represent program element is called. This is very simple question. This is system flow chart. Now don't confuse system flow chart with data flow diagram. DFD is different thing. This shows how the data flows, but it is asking about new software logic diagram. So it is flow chart. Next is when new data are to be inserted into a data structure but there is not available space. This situation is called, this is known as overflow situation. Next is which of the following is not a testable web security element? Encryption we can test, authentication we can test, firewall test, authentication test. Correct answer is penetration. Next is a procedural program store dash in a collection of variables and a set of dash performs operations on it. So the answer will be option B. Data in a collection of variables and a set of functions performs operations on it. So in if you have doubt in any of the question, Let me know in comment section, or you can directly ask me from Telegram also. I will explain. Next is, which of the following is the phase of SDLC in which the identified requirements are incorporated into a new system design? So this is a question from software engineering. The correct answer will be requirement design. Next is port number used by TFTP. What is TFTP? Trivial File Transfer Protocol. So the correct answer is option C, 69. Now you have to tell me which port FTP used. Let me know in comment section. Next is, if system is not accessible at any point of time, which property of CIA triad violates? So if you have studied network security, you can answer this very easily. The correct answer is availability. Now don't confuse availability with accessibility. Accessibility is not part of CIA triad. So what is CIA triad? Confidentiality, integrity and availability only. Next question is, what is the special property of red black trees and what root should always be? So if you have studied red black tree, we should know that root is always a black color. So let's see which is the correct option. Option A is itself is correct. A color which is either red or black. Any node of red black tree, it should be either red or black, and root should always be black color only. This is perfectly correct. Next is, a B plus tree can contain a maximum of 7 pointers in a node. What is the minimum keys in a leaf? So maximum of 7 pointers in a node. So minimum, we have a formula. 7 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3. So 3 will be the right answer. Next is, the phase of the SDLC in which an information system is systematically repaired and improved is referred to as, this is known as maintenance or support. Next is, the model which estimates the total effort in terms of person, months of technical project staff is. So the correct answer is COCOMO model. Whenever the cost and estimations or effort estimation is needed, COCOMO model is being used. Rest of the models are project delivery models. Next is, analysis that determines the meaning of a statement once its grammatical structure becomes known is known as, correct answer is semantic analysis. So whenever the grammar or semantics of terms is used, we have to mark our answer as semantic analysis. Again, next question is from compiler only. A compiler that runs on a particular platform and is capable of generating executable code for another platform. This type of compiler is known as cross compiler. Next is, in C++, set W is dash operator. Set W is filled with operator. Next is, piggybacking is a technique for acknowledgement, yes. Flow control, yes. So option C will be correct answer. Piggybacking is used for flow control and acknowledgement purpose. Let's go to next question. In OSI model, routing is performed by, this question I have asked in my previous videos also. So routing is performed at layer 3, network layer. Next is, if a host broadcasts a frame that includes a source and destination hardware address, and its purpose is to assign IP address to itself, which protocol at network layer does the host use? This is very beautiful question. So if it is asking, we have now MAC address and we need to know IP address. So which protocol does this? So to change the MAC address to IP address, RARP protocol is being used. Reverse address resolution protocol. What does ARP use? It is change IP to MAC, and reverse is done by RARP. Next is, wasting of memory between partitions due to scattering of the free space into a number of discontiguous area is called, this is from operating system, So it is asking between partitions. Okay, if it is asking between partitions, then it is external fragmentation. If it will say within same partition, then it will become internal fragmentation. Next is dash is a virtual table that draws its data from the result of a SQL select statement. So the correct answer is view. View is a virtual table. Next is in ER diagram, generalization is represented by. So generalization is represented by triangle. What is rectangle? Rectangle is entity. What is ellipse? It is attribute. What is dashed ellipse? It is derived attributes. Now the last question 25 is ER model uses this symbol to represent weak entity set. So what is weak entity set? How it is represented? Double outline rectangle. So this were 25 questions for today. Now I have 2 questions for you. Please give me answer in comment section for this question as well the question I asked orally in while discussing the above questions. So first is a set of possible data value is called attribute, degree, tuple, domain, none of the above. And the next is which of the following model is a combination of iterative model and waterfall model. So answer me in comment section, and if you need this PDF, join me on Telegram link is given in the description below. So thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Keep learning.